Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the MCQ type question in presentations of data. The first question, time series graph are also known as options are line graph, B arithmetic line graph, C both A and B, D none. The answer is option C both A and B. Now next question, graphic presentations of cumulative frequency distribution is called A frequency polygon, B histogram, C ogive, D none. The answer is option C, that is ogive curve. Now next question, a curve obtained by joining midpoint at the adjacent rectangle of the histogram by a straight line is called A frequency curve, B frequency polygon, C ogive curve, D none. The answer is frequency polygon. Next question, a systematical curve is known as A positive skewed, B negatively skewed, C both A and B, D none. Answer is both A and B. Next question, a less than ogive is drawn on graph on the basis of cumulative frequency arrange. Options are A decreasing, B increasing, C random, D none. The options are B, that is increasing. Next question, data represented through the histogram can help in finding graphically the A mean, B mode, C median, D all of the above. The answer is option B, that is mode. Next question, ogive is helpful in locating the graphically A mode, B median, C mean, D none of them. The answer is option B, that is median. Next question, histogram and ogive can be obtained on a graph when the series is indivisible series, B discrete series, C continuous series, D none of them. The answer is option C, that is continuous series. Now next question, class frequency of a series can be known by A frequency polygon, B ogive, C histogram, D both A and C. The answer is option D both A and C. Now next question, frequency polygon can be obtained on A histogram, B cumulative frequency curve, C smooth frequency curve, D none of these. The option is A, that is histogram. Now next question, a false baseline and kinetic line are used in A graph, B diagram, C table, D none of them. The answer is option A, that is graph. The next question, in time series graph, the year, month, days are plotted on. Options are A x-axis, B y-axis, C A any of A and B, D none of these. The answer is on a x-axis. Now next question, frequency polygon curve having tail toward the right side of the graph paper towards the higher value of data result in A positive skewed curve, B normal curve, C negative skewed curve, D none of the above. The answer is option A positive skewed curve. Now next question, the price line particular commodity over a period of time can be better presented on a bar diagram, B histogram, C time series graph, D frequency polygon. The answer is option C time series graph.